anything that needed screening, and therefore the party had given him waiver to come and start following. In other words, he has been declared and cleared as the candidate of the PDP for the presidential election, and that is President Jonathan. One from Delta and co. So our committee is on. Anytime the other people within the screening period, we will continue the screening exercise and passing people. We are very happy that even those who have been attempting to kill the party cannot succeed, and the party will contest this election by the grace of God and by the Constitution of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Now? Okay. Good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The former chairman
is contesting for the governorship of Oyo State.
Thank you very much.